Good morning, my friends. Today's project, we're gonna rip out this deck, my house and the railing, and replace it with a new composite deck. As you can see what we're doing here, we cut in between the joists every 2-3 feet so we can pull out the boards a little easier. We already removed a section back here. So I'm gonna walk you through this step by step. You can see that we removed quite a bit of the deck, little by little. See all the boards here. Make sure you be careful. There's a lot of nails in there. Don't step on them. So we're going to continue pulling all the boards out. We'll come back. We'll start installation. All right, guys. We installed the first board right here. We put it down with screws because there's no clips to go in there to hold it down. Now what we're going to do between the boards is we're going to use these clips right here. There's no screws, there'll be hitting clips. So basically, you put one here, you kind of just push it in. Just like this. On every joist you have to put one of these. That's what takes all the time. There's two sides to this. See the double side here and a single side here. The double side here goes in. You just put it here and push it in with your finger in the center. Where we have seams, we're going to be having seams, alternating seams. You need a double. And basically after you put them in, you slide this board into it on both ends. And then you tighten it down. You tighten the screw down and that holds them in place. So we're going to go ahead and try one. And you'll see, and the screws will be hitting underneath. You won't be able to see them. There'll be no screws on the face. So as you can see, I got about 3 boards in so far. They're 20-foot boards. And you notice I put the clips in, and you screw them down just a bit to hold. You don't tighten them all the way because we're going to slide the other tongue, the groove, I should say the groove of the board right into it. When it's finished, you tighten it down like this, so it's actually in between the boards. You really don't see it. It's coming out pretty good. We've got a long way to go, but no rush. So here what we have so far, coming along. So once again, when you put this clip in, you tighten it just a little bit so it stays in place. Then you go back and you tighten this one here, the one behind it, all the way. So you put it in a little bit loose, then you go back and you tighten this one right here all the way down so it holds the boards down on both ends. So we finished installing the deck, and we also did the fascia, the sides right here. Looks pretty cool. Now we're gonna go ahead and put up the railings. So what we did is we got these sleeves right here that slide right over the existing posts. We'll put them all the way around, and then we'll attach the railings between here and here. So what we did is we installed the spindles inside the railings. We put on this white cap to cover sleeves, and then we put the top cap on. So this is one panel. Looks pretty cool. We have the posts about 6 inches above the top of the railing, which I think looks nicer. But if you choose to, you can actually cut them down here if you like, here, whatever you like. All right, we finished the installation of the railings. There are the stairs. Over here we have the railing all the way around. Then we installed the gate leading to the pool, and the job is completed. It's a little rainy now, so we stopped just in time. So it came out really nice. It took us about 22 hours to do this whole job. I started by myself, and then a friend of mine helped me with the railings.
It's not that difficult. You can save yourself a lot of money, and it came out very nice. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please drop me a line, let me know if you like, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.